It's gonna try to drag all of us over there. Pull hard.
Wait.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. You're doing. Okay, we got ourselves a recovery out to the Ponderosa in the mud. I got Jace with me. We're in the Taco today. Hopefully we're bringing enough truck to get the job done. He's never let me down, but we're going for a Duramax, pulling a 24-foot trailer. What do you think, Jace?
And we're bringing this?
Yeah.
Oh, we'll be fine.
We'll be fine. Let's go.
I'm Richard.
Nice to meet you. I'm Paul.
Nice to meet you, Paul.
This is Jace. I got him with me, so.
That's exactly what I'm doing, going hunting.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, it's up there. It's a mud hole.
Oh, it always is. It's terrible. Okay, well, let's go get her drugged back out of there. All right. Well, he's stuck.
It's probably just around that first bend.
Oh, yeah. He said he's 3/4 of a mile off the pavement.
Oh.
It's where all of them get stuck.
Yeah, every single one.
And everything tries to slide you off the road. We know the spot.
I'll see a deer, guys. That little thing.
Little bams. So much for a clean truck. Let's go see what she'll do.
Yeah, she's about to get muddy.
It's muddy. I'm gonna go slow right now to try to not get it all over me. Because I'm sure we're gonna end up wearing plenty of it.
Yeah, probably.
There's a road.
Yeah.
You might be able to back it up. If I can tow it and drag it up it.
This road might be wide enough.
There's been people, no, this ain't wide enough for a 21-foot trailer.
Hey, if there's a will, there's a way.
We can turn it around right there.
Might have needed the tow truck.
Nah, don't doubt the Yoda, Jace.
I'm not doubting it, I'm just saying.
I know where it's at. It's right around the turn. You go up and around, and that's where we got that camper that was.
Yeah, the camper.
There's a turnaround right there. Someone made it back to there and turned around. There's people tracks all over right here. I'll bet we're about to see it. Yep. Oh yeah, we got this.
Found it.
Let's go figure this out.
Figure this out.
We're gonna get taller. This is clay. Like
I brought
crazy.
my junk boots, so.
Oh, all right.
How?
It was a good idea. All right.
Here's the funny part. I just got done doing some commercials, so this is going to be great. I'm going to put it right on my podium.
Exactly. How far up you going?
Cool.
I'm not. I'm turning around. I'm going that way.
Okay.
Yep.
Where were you going?
Another 3 miles.
Okay. It was gonna get uglier.
Yeah, that's what
Tomorrow's supposed to be sunny. It'll dry
I
out.
know. I'm hoping.
You can roll in tomorrow. Well, I think backwards is the key. We'll tug her.
No, but it just, I wasn't here and it just slid.
Well,
over there.
we'll hook onto the trailer and tow it and steer it with that truck and go backwards. So we can make it happen here. This corner right here, it happens a lot on this very corner. Oh yeah.
Have you?
Oh yeah, usually they're right on the turn. Camp trailer. It took us a while on it. We had to bring the tow truck. It was almost tipped over off in the.
Well, I'll get my coat on. And
Yeah.
you guys need any help?
No, we're good. I'm just gonna hook up to the axle so we can tug on it and keep this thing straight.
Say goodbye to no mud on you.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna get a little mud on me.
Is there not a tow hook on the back
No,
of here?
there's nothing.
Okay. You're getting in it.
I'm all up in it, Jace. I'll turn this thing around. We'll get some radios hooked up, and then basically the idea is I'm just gonna keep this tight and I'll drive the trailer while he backs up. So, and wherever we can get back to turn around, that's where we'll turn it around.
Fun.
Well, I've got plenty of mud on my feet now.
I hate mud. Ooh. She is slick. Could have waited come got it in the morning and it would have been frozen probably. Would have been nice weather. Yeah, this is about to be a fun time.
All right.
Almost ran the rope over.
That's a cardinal sin.
Okay, what do you want me to do here?
I want you to do whatever I tell you on the radio.
Okay.
Mostly you're just gonna keep your tires straight.
I don't want to hit those trees.
Don't hit them. I can steer the trailer. You just keep the truck out of the way and I'll keep the trailer straight. It's not gonna jackknife. This will be fine. We're good to go. Okay, let's get our headset on.
Can you hear me?
Yep, I got it. All right. Okay, I want you just to put it in reverse, but I want you to have your foot on the brake, no gas. Okay, let's go a little. Moving you where you want to go?
I don't know.
I'm just gonna ease along. I can
Keep sliding off.
It's gonna, don't spin, just go easy.
These trees are freaking right on the side right here. Can I try to go forward and get it to go back up on the road?
It ain't gonna go forward.
Well, if it'll slide me back up onto the road with the pressure with you on the back.
It ain't gonna. You can turn as hard as you want and try it, go forward, turn more. Yeah, it ain't gonna. I'll drive it. You drive the Toyota.
Are we good?
Okay, to go, and you need to go clear. Nice and easy. You're doing fine. Okay, hold on. There we go. We squeaked by that. Good job.
You good?
You're doing fine. You're doing a good job right there. Pull hard.
Wait.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. You're doing fine. Okay, now stop. I got to get this trailer to the other side. Back up. You need to pull to the other side. Back up. You're fine. Keep going. Straight back.
Okay.
Now turn and get up on the road. There you go, right there. Bump it. Go. Yep. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. It's doing it. I'm going to pull forward this time when you back up.
Let me get more sideways.
I need you to turn the wheel hard and back up. I need you to be pulling like right over here somewhere.
Okay.
Back up.
Am I gonna run the
Back
rope
up.
over?
Back up. Okay, stop. Forward. Ease off the edge of that hill. Keep going. There you go. Go. Keep going. Yep, whoa, that's good. Perfect. Stop right there. I'll unhook you.
I'll go
Turn around.
flip around. But you good?
Okay, you're unhooked. Flip around. Turn your lights on, how about? There you go.
You don't need those. Those are necessities.
You're gonna have to get a little.
I will.
Just
I'm getting straight.
okay, back right up the edge of this road. Yep, turn right there. You're doing perfect, right there. Keep coming, come on back. You're fine. Right there will do it. I'll hook you back up.
Isn't it gonna try to like slide me back off the road?
No, it's gonna try to drag you to the bottom side, just like it's gonna try to drag all of us over there. I just need you to keep it tight and hang one tire probably right on that edge if you can. It's gonna keep you kind of up on there. And I'll just try not to slide. We'll go around here.
All right. If you ask me, I'm a little nervous.
Don't be nervous, you got this.
Okay, we good?
Okay, buddy. Nice and easy, nice and easy. Tug it a little, pull it around.
I'm trying, hold on.
There you go, perfect. Trying to keep the truck out of the ditch currently.
Okay.
Are you pulling it?
I think so. Yeah, I'm pulling it.
Okay. Hold on, kind of can steer it a little bit. All right.
Okay, I'm easing forward.
Feels like we're headed for a ditch here, are we?
No, we're in the middle, I think.
Okay, we're gonna be okay.
Pretty solid right here.
Yeah, I'm not sliding, I can back, so Keep the brake lights on so I can see a little something. No spots to turn around yet.
Not yet, I don't think. Is that the road?
There's a road right there.
Oh, we got that right there. Yeah, I think we can get down in there.
I think we can unhook. I can back it in and then you can pull me out.
Okay.
Back up just a hair. That'll do. You can kill it right there. I'm gonna look at this and see what we got. I'm pretty sure we can turn it around right here. I'll go unhook that rope off of it. All right, I'm going under.
Under you shall go. It's a little better than last time.
Yeah, it's more solid right here.
Yeah, if we can swing that corner.
We can swing it. And then you can hook on the front of the truck and we can tow it out. I'm just gonna throw this on the back though. All right, if you wanna pull down and shine some light for me, flip a donut and shine light so I can see.
Okay, sounds good. How's that work?
Perfect.
Ugh. Oh, it is snow.
Yep.
You're good, you got a ways. If you can stay straight back right here.
That's what I'm trying to do. Trying not to spin.
Yeah, you're good just like that. If you can crank it hard right there, get it to swing down. Yeah, keep going a little bit until we're gonna start getting in these trees.
We good?
Yeah, keep going a little bit until we're gonna start getting in these trees. It's just a little bush.
Okay.
Keep coming. That's slick down here.
I'm not going any farther than right there. Watch the other side for me. I can see this side.
You're good if you can swing it up right there.
Okay, we're gonna try it right here and see. Okay, I think we're good. Move that Toyota, I'll follow you out of here.
Oh, the seat's on that. You turn around right there?
Yeah.
I won't blind you. How do you think I should do this? Just go forward?
Nope, back straight up, turn into the hill hard. Now turn the other way, lock the front locker on, turn hard up on the road. Yep.
Want me to follow you?
Nope, I want you to stay in front in case we have catastrophes here.
Okay. Look at that. We're making progress.
It's legitimately snowing.
It is snowing right now.
All right, I'm just making sure I was seeing the same thing you are.
Yep, it is snowing currently. If y'all can see that. Let me go faster
Yep.
so you can go around.
That's good. That's a good speed. Just where it ain't flipping mud. That is soupy, man.
Yeah. Yeah, this is some nasty stuff here. She's a little...
Oh, she's spinning currently. She is hunting for traction. We are gonna stay up out of that rut.
We got a car coming too.
Well, good luck for them.
This is slick right here.
I'm already sideways.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. I made it.
I'm just easing and it's pretty slick. This corner might get you.
If I could use the trailer brakes to straighten me out, I'd like that. There we got it. Just go straight.
I'll wait for you to come around that corner.
I'm trying not to jackknife it currently.
Dialed.
We got it. We're taking all the road up currently, but we got it. We're about home free.
Yeah, this stuff's pretty solid.
Yeah, the pavement's right around the turn. And we'll get stop on the pavement and he can load his stuff and we're out of here.
Oh, my butt's wet now. A little bit of mud.
Oh yeah, that wasn't too bad. You did good pulling me. Good job.
I'm glad we switched because that would have been great.
That backing, it's a little hard to drive backwards and trust that truck to pull on it like that.
We used to trailers, I'm not.
We got a little mud on it, but no scratches, no dents, no dings. We made it out A-okay, so we'll head back home and call her a night. There you go.
Okay, what do I owe you?
You don't owe me anything.
You sure?
Yep.
I'll get you guys some food or something.
We're good. Wife was making tacos when we left, so we're in good shape. So
Thank you guys. You guys
you're
are
welcome.
awesome.
Hopefully you can go find something to hunt.
Oh my gosh.
Go find a big buck.
I'll get one for you.
Oh yeah. Good deal. We'll see you later.
We'll say These are still rolling.